SHBM 5500 HID spotlight from Larson Electronics includes a bar clamp and pivot mount for convenient mounting and positioning options while in use. The HID bar clamp swivel mount spotlight produces 3,200 lumens and operates on 9 to 32 volts DC voltage. This light features a weatherproof nylon housing, hardened glass lens, and is available in both spotlight and floodlight configuration. The bar clamp is attached to a versatile pivot mount that can be adjusted for angle and direction via an attached directional handle and wing bolt. The bar clamp is constructed from strong and lightweight aluminum. The SHBM 5500 spotlight comes with a detachable 16-foot cord with cigarette plug. The superior lighting power of this HID spotlight provides ample illumination to even the darkest of locations. The pivot mount also includes a built-in level to ensure ideal mounting positioning during installation. Cord options include the following: housing color options include black or white. Here are the bar size options. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.